Welcome to the Face Spay-Neuter Clinic. Face is a not-for-profit, low-cost spay-neuter clinic committed to ending pet overpopulation through accessible, low-cost spay-neuter surgeries and wellness care for cats and dogs in Indianapolis. We schedule patients for spay-neuter at 4 months. So when your puppy or kitten reaches 3 to 3.5 months old, you simply call the Face Spay-Neuter Clinic to schedule your appointment. It's that easy. All of our patients check in the morning. So cats do need to be in carriers and all of the dogs need to be on leashes. It's a full house first thing in the morning at the Face Clinic. Once the number or letter is called and they meet with the first technician, again, we try to get medical history, get information about the life of the cat or dog and how it may affect their surgery today. We confirm, we label carriers, make sure everyone is wearing their ID bands, and then they get called in to see the veterinarian. And that's when the veterinarian will perform the physical exam. They need to listen to the heart and lungs, make sure that they're clear, and look at bright, clear eyes, look at gums and colors, just to make sure that the cat or dog looks healthy and ready for surgery. This is sort of the last chance for people to say, I have a question about this or that with my dog. I think she might have worms, or I'm concerned about this particular aspect. The cat or dog are put in their cage or kennel with their cage cards on the front door. They will leave the exam room and go again back to the front office, and we'll pay for surgery, vaccinations, any other products or services that they've chosen to get that day. And that's when you take your yellow slip home and expect to return in the evening for patient discharge.
I called and I made my appointment. I actually got in the next day, so we brought Oreo in and we waited for them to take her back. After they took her back, we're gonna go home and we'll come back between like 5:30 and 6 and pick her back up.
When you come back to pick up your cat or dog after surgery, again, everyone's coming back at the same time, so there likely will be a line for discharge. You'll need to bring your yellow cage card, your yellow slip that you were given at checkout in the morning back with you. You'll use that to identify yourself as the guardian of your cat or dog. When you turn your yellow slip in, we will go over post-op instructions with you. We'll talk about anything that came up during the day, any abnormalities if there were anything we discovered during surgery that you might need to be aware of. And then we'll talk about what to do after surgery, what our post-op care requirements are. When that's finished, we do, in order of appearance, we will release cats or dogs to you and you can go home.